while solving this type of problems, like finding out the local maxima or local minima, we should first know how to solve this type of problems. In this particular problem, I will show you how to find out the solution sets. Okay, so let's start. So while we get such type of problems, what we will do, we'll first try to take out any common term. So 4 is common here, so we'll write down x cube minus 6 plus 11x minus, okay. Now we'll try to now factorize this portion. Okay, so we'll now try to factorize this portion. So let us suppose that let the polynomial px be x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Okay, now we try to find out the fact. In order to factorize it, let us insert p of 1. Okay, so it will be 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. So it will come out to be 12 minus the 0. Therefore, we can say that if p of 1 is 0, we can say that x minus 1 is a factor. Okay, so here we have confirmed that x minus 1 is a factor, right? So here x cube minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6, here x minus 1 is a factor, right? So we'll write as it is. So this is x, so I write here x squared. So this becomes x cube minus x squared. So this I will write as minus 5x squared plus 11x minus of 6. Students, since we are confirmed that x minus 1 is a factor, so our work is very easy now. We just randomly put here x minus 1. Now here it is minus 5x squared. Already x is there, so I write here minus 5x. So this is satisfied. Okay, then minus 5 into minus 1 will be plus 5x. We have 11x, so we have right here plus 6x minus 6. Now this will be x squared, x minus 1 minus 5x, x minus of 1, then plus 6 you take common, x minus 1. So x minus common term is everywhere, so you can take x minus 1 as common now. So this will be again x squared minus 5x plus 6. Okay, so this thing we have converted into two terms. Again, let's see, can we factorize this? So let us again try by splitting up the middle term. So this thing I can write x squared minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Okay, we are factorizing by the method of midterm splitting. How? 1 into 6 is 6. Again, we have to break 5x in such a way that the product becomes 6. See, minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6. 1 into 6 is plus 6. Minus 3 into minus 2 is also plus 6. So we are in the right direction. So again, here I will take x as common. So x minus 3 minus x minus 3, write it down, so it will be 2x, yeah. So our factors are x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3. So students, this thing we can write in this manner, right? Okay, so what we will do now? Wait, let me erase this particular thing. So instead of this one, I am going to write down this one. So this is nothing but 4 into, which implies 4 into x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Now for finding out the critical points are identified now. Critical points are at x equals to 1, x equals to 2 and x equals to 3. Now students, what we are going to do, we are going to now plot them here. Okay, so this is x equals to 1, so this is x equals to 2, this is x equals to 3, and this side it is plus infinity, and this side it is minus infinity. Okay, so from left hand side we will be plotting plus symbol, minus, plus, minus in this order. Okay, so this is our standards, so we have plotted. Now to finding out the solution set, it is given that greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so we will target those intervals where there is only positive sign. We will target those regions where there is positive sign, because in the question is given find greater than or equal to 0. So the solution set will be combination of this region and this region. So the solution set is 1, 2 union 3, infinity. So students, this is the solution set. Now students, let us come back to this problem. Finding out the points of local maxima and minima of the function. Similarly, for these type of problems, we have to go for, we'll differentiate the function. Okay, so we write, or let us declare it as y equals to, let the function be y equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x minus 8. So here what we will do, we will first differentiate it with respect to x, which implies dy by dx equals to 3x square minus 6x plus 9. Okay, again we will try to factorize it, 3x square minus 2x plus 3, again 3x square minus 3x plus x, again we have, let me check, oh sorry, it should be 12x. Okay, I am very sorry students, so this is this, let me do it again. So this will be 3x square minus 12x, okay, plus 9. Okay, 3x square minus, okay, yeah. Now we will try to take the x, 3's common, so x square minus 4x plus 3. Okay, so 3 midterm splitting minus 2x, sorry, minus 3x minus x plus 3. So what we will do, we will take x's common, it will be x minus 3. Again we will take minus 1's common, it will be x minus 3, right? So this will be 3 x minus 1 x minus 3. So we have got dy by dx equals to this much. Now for finding the critical points, we have to place dy by dx equals to 0. Okay, now if this term is equal to 0, 3 is always greater than 0, so we'll have x minus 1 x minus 3 equals 0, or either x equals to 1 or x equals to 3. So our critical points are x equals to 1 and x equals to 3. Now similarly, like the previous numerical, we have to draw this number line and place the value critical points. So see what we will do, we will place x equals to 1 here, x equals to 3 here, this will be positive infinity, this is negative side. Okay, so we have identified the critical points, and now we will place from this side, left hand side, positive, negative, positive. Now look at the things. In x equals to 1, this is from positive to negative, and for x equals to 3, if you compare this point, it is from positive to negative. So you can write down, students, here, since the sign changes from positive to negative at x equals to 1, so x equals to 1, it is a point of local maxima, and x equals to 3, what happens? The sign changes from negative to positive, so it is a point of local minima. Okay, students, so this much is enough for solving such type of problems. Okay, again